naman, what's your, style? Saan mo nakuha ang iyong get up for today?
Actually, quick story time lang about
Okay.
my dress today. Ito dapat yung susuotin ko sa first contract signing ko with Dear Face. Ito dapat yung isa sa mga dress na prepare ng stylist ko. Tapos sabi ko, tingin ko next time na lang yan. Tapos, wala lang, ang galing na today, susuotin ko ulit yung next time ko for another Dear Face event pa rin. So,
Ay, grabe.
I think it's meant to be, Char.
Oh, meant to be. May kumbaga
There is the
nag-align.
joy. Yes, yes.
We love it so much. So ayan na, last request, what's your message to our, media partners and guests?
Yes. Sa mga nandito po nung May, thank you so much. Meron po ba dito nandito nung May, tapos nandito ngayon? Maraming salamat po. Ayun. Let's just have fun today. And kung may mga tanong po kayo, pwede nyo itanong sa amin later. Let's just enjoy. Thank you so
Ayun na
much.
nga. Oh, let's just enjoy. Gusto ko yung gano'n. Let's just enjoy. So yan nga, lahat tayo excited para dito. Siyempre, after nito, meron tayong tinatawag na question and answer portion.
Yes.
Oh, are you ready for that later?
Hi.
Ay,
Yes.
wow! Ay, isa pa. Paano? Ooh, look at that.
Ready
I
na
love
po.
it. Nakakatuwa talaga. So yun na nga, Miss Andrea, thank you once again. At ito, we are eager to know more about you. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang isa pang radiant na goddess na ating
Yes.
Dear Face. So maybe call back here on stage our lovely CEO, Miss Jonah. Hello. So alright, ayan. May we request to please sit down on the There you go, in our chairs. So, ito nga po, since we are actually celebrating the renewal of the contract, we would want to know, more about the both of you. Ano nga pa meron ang Dear Face? And what can you actually give or share to our media partners? So, the first question that I'm gonna be asking, this is for Blythe. Ayan. First question, ready ka na ba?
Ito na agad, okay?
Oo, ready na po tayo. So the first question po is, can you describe your experience working with Dear Face? Okay.
Okay. So, I think I'm just really blessed po to work with people who are very easy to work with. Sa totoo lang po, wala akong masyadong nararamdaman na pressure in terms of working with Dear Face. And I really appreciate na hinahayaan nila akong i-express kung paano ako gumamit ng Dear Face. Parang hindi nila ako masyado pinipigilan or pinupush. Like, hinahayaan nila ako maging natural lang. And for me, parang nakikita ko po na they really trust me in terms of endorsing their brand. Kaya hindi po ako nape-pressure masyado. And I think, hindi din ako nape-pressure because alam ko ginagamit ko din naman po talaga yung products nila.
I love it. Alam mo, actually, it shows on you. Sobrang glowing ka. As in, pagpasok mo
I
parang like
don't
all
feel-
eyes on you. And kaya nga yung hair flip natin pa ganyan, di ba? Isa pa nga hair flip. Oo.
I don't feel any pressure right
Nakakatuwa naman talaga tayo dyan. Ayan, If you don't feel any pressure, ang next question natin is for Miss Jonah. Ayan, Miss Jonah, how does it feel like naman working with Andrea for your beautiful brand, which is Dear Face?
Actually, alam niyo, si Andrea, yung isa sa pinakamagaan din namin nakatrabaho sa Lebron.
Aww.
Like, wala siyang
The feeling is
arte at-
mutual.
Tapos, hindi mo siya kailangan bigyan ng direction eh. Meron siyang initiative. Ang kagandahan kasi with Light is, gabi-gabi niyang iniinom talaga yung beauty milk. So, it's very natural for her na mag-content. Kahit hindi namin hinihingi, nagpo-post yan sa mga platforms, nagpo-post siya ng parang mga hindi naman kasama sa deliverables, pina-post niya. Yung pagmamahal niya dun sa brand na ino-endorse niya, dun sa product na ino-endorse, talaga makita mong very natural and very real. And talagang nagra-radiate din yun eh. Kaya alam ng mga tao na totoong iniinom ni Andrea. Because from the very start that we met, iniinom na talaga niya yung beauty milk. Kaya it's not hard for her to endorse something na she's really using. So, for me talaga yung buong team ng Dear Face talaga. Pag sinabi namin, "Hi, Blight, can we do another contract signing for our renewal?" Ganyan. Alam mo, mabilis silang maglatag din ng mga calendar nila. So, very, very accommodating din as well si Tita Mel, which is yung mom niya. And also si Kyla, which is yung sister niya.
Oh, nakakatuwa naman.
The whole team actually, very super.
Oo,
Sarap
nakakatuwa naman yan. So actually, Andrea is really the epitome, no, of really glowing within.
Yes.
Oo.
And kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa kanya, ganun talaga siya. Yun siya.
On no pretensions.
Yes.
As in, talagang what you see is what you get.
Medyo yung
Tama
height
yan.
lang po sumasablay. Kasi
Alam mo,
madami akala nila matangkad ako at may kita nila, ay, maliit pala siya.
girl, wala sa height yan.
True.
Oh, nasa ano yan, pag glow mo within and
Yes.
outer
Oh,
part
yes.
of your body.
Kasi ito yung height ko. Pero dahil sa melon milk, yung glow ko, umaabot siya.
Oh, di ba?
So, kapag yun na yung additional height ko.
Correct.
Thank you po.
Umabot din into greater heights indeed. I love it. So ito, may follow-up question ako
Okay
for
po.
you, no? So can you tell us naman, your personal experience using Dear Face Beauty Milk Melon?
Okay. So, totoo po yung bago pa kami nag-meet ni Miss Jonah, gumagamit na po talaga ako ng beauty milk. Ang gamit ko po talaga lagi is yung melon milk. Isa yun for me kasi yun yung pinaka-masarap for me. Bias ako. Hindi lang dahil na-endorse ko siya, pero for me yun talaga yung pinaka-masarap. And ano po kasi, lagi po akong pagod. Siyempre, tao pa rin naman po ako. Physically, napapagod po talaga ako. Lalo na yung work ko halos araw-araw po talaga. And minsan from taping, event, taping ulit, tapos event ulit. Kailangan ko ng konting push. Hindi lang enough ang 8 hours of sleep. Minsan nga po nakaka 5 hours lang ako. Hindi din minsan enough yung makeup na lang. So, nagtitake po talaga ako ng collagen bago ako mag-sleep para pagkagising ko, meron akong extra glow or kaya early in the morning po, yun agad yung tinitake ko. Kapag minsan nakakatulog na lang ako agad, nakakalimutan ako mag-beauty milk. Pagkagising ko po, nag-iinom po ako ng melon milk.
Alam mo, Andrea, actually, itong beauty milk ni Miss Jonah, no, you don't really need to put that much makeup anymore. Kasi siya yung parang, di ba, nag-exude yung glow mo eh. Minsan, di ba, parang dinadaya mo with makeup and all. But pag gumagamit ka ng collagen drink, as in you drink it religiously every
Yes
day.
po. Lalo na po,
Oo.
na-addict po ako sa mga K-dramas, sa
Naku,
mga
ayan
ganyan.
naman.
So talagang, nag-iinom po talaga ako ng madaming collagen kasi grabe yung skin nila, super glowing sila, di ba? Medyo talo na tayo sa weather natin, so kailangan natin dayain na para talagang sa weather tayo na maayos. Kaya nagko-collagen po ako lagi.
Oh, ayan na, ladies and gentlemen, nakita niyo yung advice ni Miss Andrea. Collagen is the way to go. I love it. And of course, by